Hey people of YouTube, hope you like that little intro I made. I was quite impressed with it. Well, it's Tuesday again. Tuesday the 3rd of March. Been a nice sunny day, see? I'm in my t-shirt. So, my third task is about to begin. Well, today's task is to design a villain or a superhero. And then talk about your favourite villain or superhero. Well, I'm making a villain because I'm a pretty bad guy. There we go. Tiddles has been made. My villain is called Tiddles. He's not one of these stereotypical villains. He doesn't steal banks. He doesn't kill people. But think about this. Think of the most annoyingest things you can think of. Most things will make you go "Urgh" stuff. So I'm going to tell you why he's a villain. Then think about this a little thought. Number one, he doesn't say please or thank you. Nope, he just does what he does and not say thank you for it or please. So there's one pet peeve that he has. Another, when you go out for a restaurant, you have a really good meal, the service was amazing, he doesn't tip. Nope, not even a single penny. He's kind of greedy. Doesn't like tipping the waiters, even though they do a massive, awesome job. Nope, he doesn't tip. Leaves a seat up when there's a woman, so yeah, and put the seat down. He doesn't use a coaster. Nope. He leaves that glass right on the table with no coaster, so it stains the wood if you have a wooden table. That's how he leaves a mess. He makes a mess. That's why in the picture he looks scruffy. Yeah, he has a bit of a moustache. That's kind of a joke, really. You know. And he just think of everything that makes you mad when he makes it. Like walking the street and he just stops in front of people. So yeah. Well, the original Tiddles was my nickname, like the Tom Ross. That's where it came from. And then I was like, Tiddles sound like a bad guy. I was like thinking of all these. So I already made Tiddles before. Me and Tom were like having this discussion what evil things can do. Yeah, it was quite fun. So there we go, Tiddles. His name is Tiddles. It's like a cat's name. Right, the next bit is the topic. George said to think of your favourite hero or villain. I didn't think about this one, it's quite hard. I'm not really a superhero type guy though, that's the problem. I will say Ash Ketchum. He's awesome. Ash Ketchum from Pokemon. But no, I'm not going to say him. It's going to be a villain. Yep, it's a villain again. You know Spider-Man 3? Venom. Venom from Spider-Man 3. He's my favourite villain. Only because he looks so awesome. He looks so much better than Spider-Man. Spider-Man's like, not as cool as him. Venom, he's just so awesome. He's not really a bad guy, is he? He doesn't steal banks. He just wants to kill Spider-Man. A lot of people want to kill him. If I had a chance, I would try to kill him. Even though I'll probably get owned by him. But still. And he's just a badass. Like, yeah, I don't like you, Spider-Man. I'll shoot black webs at you. Yeah, look at me, I'm evil. And yeah. The only reason I like him is he looks so awesome. Nothing really else I can say about him. Don't know the guy that much. Even though he did really annoy me. The way he died, come on. Pretty stupid. High pitched frequent sounds. What the? Why? Super awesome guy. He has better powers than Spider-Man. Gets, I don't know, gets weak against high pitched sounds. Doesn't make sense. So that really annoyed me. It's got owned by Sam Raves. So yeah. Well, I hope you enjoyed my little debate about my favourite villain, and I'll catch you again next week. Actually, wait, whoa. I'm making a task as well. I'm the task man for Saturday, so you'll see me Saturday. I'm not part of the task yet, so this is going to be interesting. Well, take care, YouTubians. I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.